Albert app not connecting to your bank usually comes down to a broken Plaid link, outdated login credentials, or your bank blocking third-party connections for security reasons. By the end, you'll know exactly why the connection fails, how to fix it step by step, and what to do if your bank refuses to reconnect at all. Start with the most common issue. Open Albert and go to your linked account section. If your bank shows an error or a reconnect button, the connection is already broken on the back end. The fix is to remove the bank completely and relink it instead of trying to refresh it. Now do a clean reconnect. Log out of Albert, close the app completely, then reopen it. Go through the bank linking process again and re-enter your banking credentials carefully. Most connection failures happen because login sessions expire or password changes don't sync properly with the app. If that doesn't work, the issue is usually on the bank's side. Many banks block third-party connections like Plaid when they detect unusual login attempts or security flags. In that case, your bank will not let Albert connect even if your credentials are correct. You may need to log into your bank's app or website first and approve any security prompts or alerts. Next, check your bank's security settings. Some banks require multi-factor authentication every time a third-party app connects. If you're not completing those prompts inside Albert's linking flow, the connection will fail silently. Make sure you fully complete every verification step when prompted. Also check for app version issues. If Albert is outdated, it can break the bank connection process because APIs change over time. Updating the app ensures the linking system is compatible with your bank's current security setup. If everything still fails, switch the approach. Try linking a different bank account first. If that works, the issue is specific to your original bank, not Albert itself. That helps you isolate whether it's a bank restriction or a broader app issue. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert not connecting to your bank is usually caused by expired login sessions, blocked third-party access, or incomplete verification steps. Most issues are fixed by removing the bank and relinking it cleanly. Do this next. Remove your bank from Albert, update your banking password if needed, and reconnect while completing every security prompt without skipping. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes for common banking app problems.